These fiberglass blankets for use around the house are a great gift idea. Let's go ahead and carefully open these up. And this is a set of multiple blankets. Where we've got 4 of them here. Each one has a grommet at the top so you can hang it real easily, temporarily or kind of semi-permanently. Then it has these 2 tabs. You're going to pull on those tabs. This hook and loop is going to open and this blanket is going to come out. And that blanket is fiberglass. So it's going to smother and remove oxygen and heat from that fire. This way you don't have to spray anything on the fire. You can smother it. This is a 3 foot plus 3 foot by 3 foot blanket. You can fold it back up and reuse it if you need to. I buy 4 of them so I can gift these to people. Great practical gift idea. Hope this helps.